Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I tweeze my eyebrows. So as you can see, I'm using my edge brush to brush everything in place before I tweeze my eyebrows. And then there is the razor blade I use to tweeze my eyebrows. Mostly I start from the bottom. You have to be extra careful when using this razor blade because it's very sharp. So, and I forgot, for those who are beginners, it's very advisable for you guys to start with applying a Vaseline, because when you apply Vaseline first, it's way smoother. For me, I've been doing this for a very long time, so I don't apply it most of the time. I just go with the flow. I am shaving the top part. You have to be extra careful when you are shaving your eyebrows. And guys, if you're a beginner, please be patient with yourself. Be very patient with yourself. Don't rush it. As long as you start and practice, you'll be good. You'll be good. I'm telling you.
Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. Blue sky, walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things come to those that wait up. But don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. I was moving, but I'm better now. All games I've been wrapping up. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. Blue sky, walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a birthday. Things come to those that wait up. But don't wait to jump in too long. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up. Don't sleep, you gotta stay up.
What you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves, and everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you. We go fast, it's the game we play. Who knows why it's gotta be this way?